Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your POCO M7. First, what we're going to do is we're going to check the volume levels in these settings. So open up these settings, then scroll down until you see sound and vibration. And here you guys want to check the media volume and of course the call volume. But for the call volume, you need to go over to the specific app. We're going to go to the phone app and now press the volume up button right here. As you guys can see, it is increasing the phone. So this is the call volume and it's only available here because whenever you change it in the settings, it's the media volume. Now let's get back to sound and vibration. Here we want to make sure that our media is at least more than a half. This is right here the best setting. And what we want to do next is we want to clean our speaker grills with a soft brush. So we have them, as you guys can see, right at the bottom. So we want to make sure that they are clean. If they're not, then make sure to clean them. We want them as shiny as possible because dust can block the connection and we do not want it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So the Bluetooth is right here in the settings. It's almost at the top, is the fifth option from the top. Now make sure that this switch is gray because otherwise it means that the Bluetooth is enabled. And we also have the Bluetooth icon right up top in the status bar. We want to make sure that it disappears and we want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to restart our phone. This is a quick restart. We're going to press the power button and the volume up button. And here, scroll down to reboot. Now, once your screen goes black and the green appears instead of, let's say, white, then you can let go of your finger and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it restarts. Now, after the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the password, and as a last resort, of course, go over and update our software. So open up the settings, now go to About Phone, and here we're gonna go and click on the HyperOS. We want to make sure that we have Wi-Fi connection, and I have no updates available, but if you do have an update and you're not on the latest version, make sure to update it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version and to get rid of any old glitches from old software versions. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.